Hello everyone, I am Kadam Kes from SGM College, Karad. In previous lecture, we have studied formation of LPP. This is formation of LPP. In LP problem, the given problem is in verbal form. Verbal form चा problems हे formulation केलेला आहे. Maximize Z equal to 65x plus 45y subject to 4x plus 6y less than or equal to 120, 10x plus 3y less than or equal to 180, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Formal definitions related to LPP. Next point is first definition of solution of LPP. A set of values of the decision variable. In this formulation, x and y are the decision variable. The set of values of the decision variable which satisfies the constraints of LPP is called a solution of that problem. Means values of x and y satisfies the constraints is called. म्हणजे x आणि y च्या व्हॅल्यूने हे constraint satisfy केलं तर ते काय झालं solution of LPP. Feasible solution, a solution which satisfies. Solution means values of a decision variable which satisfies the constraints. Constraints means these two inequalities and non-negativity restriction. Non-negativity restriction is this x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0 is called the feasible solution. Next definition is optimal feasible solution. A feasible solution means values of x and y which satisfy constraints and non-negativity restriction which maximize or minimize the objective function. Here z equal to 65x plus 45y is the objective function. This formulation or LPP problem is of maximization. Maximize z equal to. This LPP problem or formulation is of maximization type. A feasible solution which maximize or minimize the objective function as per the requirement of LPP. Suppose 0 0, 18 0, 15 10 and last one is 0 20 are values of x and y decision variable. All these coordinates satisfies these constraints and non-negativity restriction, but only याच्यावरून z चा व्हॅल्यू काढला तर मॅक्सिमम व्हॅल्यू ऑफ z इज जी काय येते ती या पॉइंट साठी येते. हे तीन पॉइंट कॉन्स्टंट आणि नॉन निगेटिव्हिटी रिस्ट्रिक्शन सॅटिस्फाय करतात सगळेच्या सगळे पॉइंट. पण त्यातली मॅक्सिमम व्हॅल्यू ऑफ z फक्त 15 10 या पॉइंट साठीच येते. म्हणजे तो पॉइंट काय झाला ऑप्टिमल फिजिबल सोल्यूशन. अ फिजिबल सोल्यूशन which maximizes or minimizes the objective function as per the requirement of LPP is called optimal feasible solution. Next point is polygonal convex set. If the boundaries of the convex set are formed by a straight line, then it is called the polygonal convex set. These examples of polygonal convex set. All these diagrams are examples of polygonal convex set. Polygonal convex sets are bounded as well as unbounded. Next, theory articles without proof. First theory article. The set of all feasible solutions of LPP is a convex set. The set of all feasible solutions. या दोन लाइन आपण ड्रॉ केले या टाइप ना रफ डायग्राम करतो आपण. x एक्सिस y एक्सिस ओरिजिन हा जो सेट आहे तो फिजिबल सोल्युशनचा सेट आहे. द सेट ऑफ ऑल फिजिबल सोल्युशन्स ऑफ LPP इज अ कॉन्वेक्स सेट. आणि हा सेट कसा आला? कॉन्वेक्स सेट. द ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन ऑफ LPP, objective function of LPP attains its optimum value. Optimum value म्हणजे maximize or minimize at least one of the vertex of convex polygon. हे फिजिबल सोल्युशन आपलं झालं. हे जे आहेत ते सगळे कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स झाले. हा O00 असेल, हा एक पॉइंट असेल, हा. तर याच्यातल्या सगळ्या पॉइंटला सोल्युशन हे मॅक्झिमम मिळणार नाही. तर ॲटलिस्ट वन पॉइंट ऑफ द व्हर्टायसिस इज कॉन्वेक्स पॉलिगॉन. दिस इज नोन ॲज अ कॉन्वेक्स पॉलिगॉनल थिअरम. नेक्स्ट मेथड. देर आर टू मेथड्स to find solution of LPP. First method is graphical solution or corner point method, and second is complex method. Here corner point method हीच फक्त मेथड आपल्याला शिकायला आहे, सिम्प्लेक्स मेथड आपल्याला शिकण्यासाठी नाही. मग कॉर्नर पॉइंट मेथडना एक्झाम्पल कशी सॉल्व करायची त्याच्या काही स्टेप आहे. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज कन्वर्ट all inequalities into equalities. All inequalities into equalities. Draw the lines in XY plane. All inequalities into equality. Draw the line in XY plane. Locate common region indicated by constraints. This common region is a feasible region. This feasible region. Next step is find vertices of a feasible region. Next, find out all the vertices of feasible region. Find the value of objective function at the vertices. या प्रत्येक व्हर्टेक्स साठी झेडच्या व्हॅल्यू काढायचे आहेत ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शनचे. आणि लास्ट स्टेप त्याच्यामध्ये दिलेला प्रॉब्लेम कोणता आहे? मॅक्झिमाइजचा आहे का मिनिमाइजचा आहे? त्याच्यानुसार मॅक्झिमम आणि मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. फाइंड द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन Z at all the vertices. Let us solve examples by using these steps of corner point method. First example is example first. Example first, solve the following LPP by graphical method. Maximize Z equal to 11x plus 8y subject to x plus y less than or equal to 6, x less than or equal to 4, y less than or equal to 6, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Z equal to 11x plus 8y is the objective function. X plus y less than or equal to 6, all these are constraints. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 are non-negativity restriction. Let us prepare, first of all let us prepare a table. In equation, first in equation is x plus y less than or equal to 6. Second in equation is x less than or equal to 4. Third in equation is y less than or equal to 6. Next non-negativity restriction is x greater than or equal to 0, and second non-negativity restriction is y greater than or equal to 0. Line means convert all of these inequations into equations. First equation is x plus y equal to 6. Second equation is x equal to 4. Third equation is y equal to 6. Next, non-negativity restriction is y equal to x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Convert, first step is corner point method. Convert all inequations of the constraint into equations. Next, first of all draw Next point. Put y equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 6. Put x equal to 0. Y equal to 6. Therefore, A point is 6 0 and B point is 0 6. Sign means inequality sign, less than or equal to, and region, common shaded region. Put origin O0 0 to this inequality, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, less than or equal to 6. Therefore, origin side is the shaded region. Second inequality, x less than or equal to 4. Equality is x equal to 4 and this line is parallel to y-axis. Sign less than or equal to. Put x equal to 0, 0 less than or equal to 4. Origin side is the shaded region. Next, y less than or equal to 6. Equality is y equal to 6. Region. Y equal to 6 means line parallel to x-axis. Line parallel to x-axis. Sign is less than or equal to, and common shaded region is the origin side. Next, non-negativity restriction is x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Equalities are x equal to 0, y equal to 0. X equal to 0 is line. X equal to 0 means y-axis and y equal to 0 means x-axis. X equal to 0, shaded region is right side of y-axis and y equal to 0 means x-axis. Above, shaded region is above the x-axis. First of all, draw the x and y-axis. Y-axis, origin O. First of all, draw the line x plus y equal to 6. X plus y equal to 6 line passing through the 2 points A 6 0 and B 0 6. B 0 6. Shaded region is origin side. Next line is x less than or equal to 4 means x equal to 4. Line parallel to y-axis. Line parallel to y-axis. X equal to 4 line. And shaded region is origin side. Next line is y equal to 6. Line parallel to x-axis. Y equal to 6. Y equal to 6. Shaded region is origin side. Shaded region is origin side. Therefore, the common shaded region of this line, equation of this line is x plus y equal to 6. X plus y equal to 6. Therefore, the common shaded region of all these three lines are . 6 This region is called feasible region. This region is called feasible region. The vertices of feasible region are O, B, here C, here D. Second step is draw the lines in XY plane. Third step is locate common region indicated by the constraints. This common region is a feasible region. Fourth step is find vertices of a feasible region. The common shaded region is O, B, C, D, whose vertices are O, B, C and D. The common shaded region. Is O, B, C, D, O. O, B, C, D, O. The common bounded shaded region is whose vertices are O00, B 06, C 42, D 40, D 40. To find the coordinates of a point C. C is point of intersection of the lines x plus y equal to 6 and x equal to 4. Put x equal to 4 in this equation, therefore y equal to 2. Therefore, the coordinates of point C is 4, 2. And the coordinate of point D is point on the x-axis, therefore y coordinate is 0, and D is a point on the line x equal to 4, therefore coordinate of D is 4, 0. My next step is prepare a table, corner points, and objective function is z equal to 11x plus 8y. Corner points are O00, B06, 06, C48, 42 and D04. Put O00, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 to objective function, z equal to 11 plus 8y, z equal to 0. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 6 in this equation, therefore z equal to 48. Put x equal to 4 and y equal to 2 in objective function, z equal to 11x plus 8y equal to 60. And put x equal to 0 and y equal to 4 to this equation, therefore z equal to 42. Z equal to 44. 0 to put x equal to 4 and y equal to 0, therefore z equal to 44. We know that this problem is of maximization problem, therefore the maximum value of z is 60. Maximum value of z is 60. Last, maximum value of z equal to 60 at the point 4, 2, that is when x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. My next example is solve the following LPP by graphical method. Maximize z equal to maximize z equal to 4x plus 6y subject to 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, x plus y less than or equal to 4, x greater than 0, y greater than 0. First of all, let us prepare a table. First in equation is 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. Corresponding equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Put y equal to 0. Put y equal to 0, x equal to 4. Put x equal to 0, y is 6. Therefore, a point is 4, 0 and B point is 0, 6. Sign is less than or equal to 0 and shaded region is origin side. We know that if inequality is of less than or equal to 10, then shaded region is origin side, otherwise non-origin side. Next inequality is x plus y less than or equal to 4. Therefore, x plus y, corresponding equality is x plus y equality equal to 4. Put y equal to 0, x is 4. Put x equal to 0, y is 4. Therefore, the points are C 4, 0 and D 0, 4. Inequality is less than or equal to shaded region is origin side. Next, non-negativity restriction is x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Equality is x equal to 0, y equal to 0. X equal to 0 means line parallel to y-axis. Line parallel to y-axis, and y equal to 0 means line parallel to x-axis. Line parallel to x-axis. X equal to 0. Shaded region is right side of y-axis. Y greater than or equal to 0. Shaded region is above the x-axis. Above the x-axis. First of all, draw x-axis. Y-axis. O is the origin. First line is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. 3x plus 2y equal to 12, line passing through the point A and B. Coordinate of point A is 4, 0. Coordinate of point B is 0, 6. 4, 0 and 0, 6. Equation of line is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Second line is x plus y equal to 4. X plus y equal to 4. Line passing through the point C and D. Coordinate of point C is 4, 0 and coordinate of point D is 0, 4. 0, 4. Therefore, x plus y equal to 4. C point 40, D point 0, 4. Shaded region of first line is the origin side and shaded region of second line is also origin side. Therefore, this region is a common shaded region. This region is common shaded region. OAD are the vertices of visible region. Therefore, the common bounded shaded region is visible region whose vertices are O00, A40 and D04. Let us prepare table corner points. And objective function is z equal to 4x plus 6y. Corner points of visible region are OAD, O00, coordinate of A is 40 and coordinate of D is 04. Put 0, 0 in this equation, z equal to 0. Put x equal to 4 and y equal to 0, z equal to 60. Put x equal to 0 and y equal to 4, 24. This problem is of maximization type. Therefore, z equal to 24 is the maximum value and the solution, therefore maximum value of z equal to 24 at the point 0, 4, that is when x equal to 0 and y equal to 4. Hope you have understood this lecture. Thank you.